Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Sherly Anggraini Listianingrum. I am from Master Degree of Physics Education Department, Faculty of Mathematics and Science, Yogyakarta State University. In these occasions, I would like to present the result of my research, training numerical skills of students using electronic model in distance learning activities. Introduction. Numeracy and literacy ability is important in the use of logical thinking to analyze a literature which is usually present in the form of graph, table, chart, picture, and contain mathematical elements. The Program International Student Assessment or PISA, often 3 years, shown that in 2018, Indonesia obtained an average score of 379 for the field of numeracy and was ranked 72nd from 78 countries. Problem 1. Low illiteracy and numeracy. The Program International Student Assessment or PISA, often 3 years so that in 2018, Indonesia obtained an average score of 379 for the field of numeracy and was ranked 72nd from 78 countries. 2. Lack of the attractiveness of teacher. This statement is supported by the result of previous study which shown that the appropriate interaction model. 3. Lack of student engagement in learning. The learning activities is applying in the old learning model that is still dominant and teacher-centered. Goals. To analyze the effectiveness of learning using electronic model with augmented reality based to improve student numeracy skills. As a reference material, the topic of energy was taught in Physics class 11. Method. Quantitative research with a quasi-experimental approach. There are 2 research instruments used in this study in the form of an electronic model and a test instrument. The electronic model has been developed and analyzed qualitatively by experts and is declared suitable for use in education. Furthermore, the test instrument used to measure numeracy skill consists of 5 easy questions. The quality of research instrument is also one of the results of this study and is presented in the sub-discussion in the next section. Method. Technique. The school was selected using the confidence sampling method, while the sample were selected by random sampling. Students who have been selected are divided into 2 groups of class that do similar interaction. Subject. 71 students from 11th grade high school in Sleman City. Data collection using test technique given before and after learning activities. Analyze technique. The research data was then analyzed using WithStep software to determine the quality of item and estimate student abilities. Result and discussion. The result of this study identify and feasibility of augmented reality-based electronic in the implementation of blended learning during the COVID-19 pandemic era. The impact of student ability. Before treatment, the majority ability was in the weak category, with 37.5% and decreased to 30.56% after receiving treatment. The same applies to the excellent category. With experience, an increase in this finding proof that the treatment given is able to improve student numeracy skill percent after receiving treatment. The impact of numeracy. The large improvement occurred in the N2 indicator, which illustrates the cognitive dimension of applying and cognitive process of factual knowledge on the topic of potential energy. On the other hand, an N4, which measure the indicator of applied cognitive dimension and factual cognitive process on the topic of kinetic energy. However, overall student numeracy skill on its indicator have shown nice score. Learning analyze, statistical analyze. Table 2 show that the data are not normally distributed with the KI's score achieved less than 0.05. The test was carried out using non-parametric statistics using the Wilcoxon test. Wilcoxon test results showed that there was a significant difference between before and after treatment. The result of the Wilcoxon test confirmed the previous finding, which showed difference in student numeracy score. On the other hand, this finding also confirmed that learning using electronic models based on augmented reality can optimize student numeracy skills. Preparation and recommendation. Teachers, as a facilitator, must master the stage of activities and synchronize between learning outcome in class and the model. Developers must be accompanied by pedagogical experts so that each stage of learning is ensured to be structured as a model in general. Students must be prepared with an independent learning model and based on personal initiative. Conclusion. The recapitulate of this study indicate that learning physics using augmented reality-based electronic models can optimize student numeracy skills. For further research, it is hoped that more massive testing will be to test the effectiveness of the media. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.